Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.32 Base Component Dimensions. This will be the first component identified in the cost workup. The base component is encountered often. It will be used in most future cost workups. The base dimensions are entered in the same sequence as the overall dimensions, that is, width, depth, section height, accumulated height, and quantity. Base dimensions are entered from the elevation pedestal sheet. Click the button labeled DMNS S_1 base. If the elevation base sheet is accidentally selected, clicking the button labeled DMNS S_1 base on the base elevation will produce the same result. You are prompted to enter the 5 dimension values in the same cells on the project dimension sheet. Even if the kick is included in the base, the dimensions are entered separately. This example 1.2.32 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.33.